Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a task in Microsoft Planner directly from a Microsoft Teams message. This is super useful when you're chatting with your team and need to quickly turn a conversation into an actionable task without switching between apps. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once you're in, look at the left side panel and click on the chat icon. This will take you to all your conversations and direct messages. From here, browse through your chats and click on the conversation that contains the message you want to turn into a task. It could be a discussion with a colleague, a team channel, or any chat where important action items were mentioned. Now, locate the specific message you want to convert into a task. Hover over that message and you'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side of it. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional options for that message. From the menu that appears, click on More Actions. This opens up a broader set of tools you can use with this message. In the expanded menu, you'll see an option that says Create Planner Task. Go ahead and click on it. This is the feature that bridges Teams and Planner, allowing you to seamlessly convert chat messages into organized tasks. Once you click it, a new window will pop up with the task creation form already pre-filled with the message content. At the top of this window, you can edit the task name if needed. The default name will be the text from the message, but feel free to adjust it to something more specific or clear. Next, look for the drop-down menu labeled Create In. Click on it and choose whether you want this to be a private task just for yourself or assign it to a specific group or plan. This is important because it determines who can see and collaborate on the task. After that, you'll want to input a due date for the task. Click on the date field and select when this task needs to be completed. Right below that, you can adjust the priority level. You'll typically see options like low, medium, or high priority. Choose the one that best reflects how urgent this task is. This helps you and your team stay organized and focused on what matters most. Below the priority section, there's a notes field where you can add any additional context or instructions related to the task. This is a great place to include extra details that weren't in the original message. Once you've filled everything out and you're satisfied with the task details, click the Create Task button at the bottom of the window. Now, to confirm that everything worked, you can navigate over to Microsoft Planner. Open the app and check the relevant plan or board. You should see your newly created task sitting right there with all the details you just entered. And just like that, you've successfully turned a Teams message into a trackable planner task. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.